So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your currency in your Fiverr account. So in your Fiverr account, your default currency is USD dollars. So if you want to change that, you just need to go to your profile over here and you can see USD right here. So once you tap on it, you can choose the currency that you want. You can either choose euros, and now your currency is euros. Or if you don't want euros and you want something else, you can also do that. I'm going to choose Hong Kong dollar. So guys, as you can see, my currency has been turned into Hong Kong dollars. So guys, that's how you change your currency in your Fiverr account. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.